This is part 3 of 3 discussion in the use of AI in customer experience. For the previous parts, please click the links below the video. Comments, observations and contributions are very welcome. 9. Addressing potential concerns with artificial intelligence in CX. While AI has the potential to significantly enhance customer experience, it also comes with its share of challenges and concerns. Some of the primary problems related to AI in CX include data quality and consistency. AI algorithms heavily rely on the quality and consistency of data. Inaccurate or biased data can lead to suboptimal customer experiences and even discrimination. Regulatory and compliance issues. The use of AI in specific industries, such as finance and healthcare, may raise regulatory concerns. Businesses need to ensure that their AI-driven tools comply with industry-specific regulations. Trust and transparency. Companies must be transparent about using AI in CX to maintain customer trust. Failure to do so could result in customers losing faith in the brand and its offerings. 10. A strategic approach to adopting artificial intelligence in customer experience. Businesses looking to adopt AI in CX should take a strategic approach that involves the following. Identifying the top business use cases. Determine which aspects of your customer experience could benefit the most from implementing AI-driven tools. Leveraging bespoke AI. For more complex queries or industry-specific needs, businesses may need to create custom AI models using unique datasets tailored to their specific requirements. Ensuring human oversight. AI tools should be used responsibly and ethically, with human supervision, especially in critical applications like healthcare and finance. Collaborating with vendors. Work closely with vendors to understand how they plan to integrate AI into your CX and assess your data to determine if your business is prepared to leverage it effectively. 11. The future of AI in customer experience. The rapid advancements in AI technology and its growing influence on customer experience show no signs of slowing down. As businesses continue investing in AI to enhance their CX, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and tools that will transform how we interact with brands and companies. However, businesses must remain vigilant about potential concerns related to AI adoption, ensuring that they maintain customer trust and comply with industry-specific regulations. 12. Conclusion. AI is undoubtedly reshaping the world of customer experience. From intelligent virtual assistants to outcome-based metrics, the latest trends in AI-driven CX are helping businesses create more engaging, personalized, and seamless customer experiences. By adopting a strategic approach to AI implementation, focusing on the customer's journey, and addressing potential concerns, companies can successfully leverage AI technology to enhance customer experience and gain a competitive edge in the market. This concludes our review, for now, of artificial intelligence in the world of customer experience. We will bring you more as the landscape unfolds. For now, thanks for watching and see you again soon. The complete transcript can now be downloaded from the link below. Please share and comment, and for more like this please subscribe and like the channel.